Alright, we're going to make some bubble solution. What you need is, the recipe says 4 cups of warm water, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of Blue Dawn soap. I'm not going to do a whole thing because we don't have a jar big enough. So we're going to do 2 cups of warm water, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of Dawn dish soap.
But don't touch it.
I might have mentioned to Addie earlier, it was hot. Don't touch the container. Have your kids help because it's measuring, so it is math. Go ahead, and it's science because we're going to dissolve the sugar. Go ahead and dump the sugar in there. And then we're going to use a whisk. And we got to stir. Do you want to help me stir?
No.
You don't want to help stir? Now you need to stir this till the sugar dissolves or disappears for the kids. So Addie, watch. The sugar is going to disappear. Do you see any sugar?
But it disappeared.
Oh, it disappeared. It dissolved in the warm water. Yeah?
Hot water.
Yeah, it's hot. Now, we're going to do some fine motor, and I'm going to actually have Addie help me squeeze this out. Okay, Addie, I need your help. Ready? I want you to hold it upside down. There you go. Now squeeze. We're going to fill this container up. A little bit more.
Will you do that yourself, please?
Oh, okay. All right, now we're going to dump it in the water. There you go. Dump it in.
Is it a big
It is up. And we're going to whisk it. We're going to mix it up, and then you have your bubble solution. I'll have a post about how you can make bubble wands if you don't have any bubble wands at home because you don't have bubbles or your kids hid them.
I have a bubble one.
Do you?
Yeah.
Where? Let's see if she really does. All right, mix this all together. We'll see if she brings back a bubble wand. We just have a little glass jar to put it in. You can put it in whatever container you want. And then just use it for bubbles whenever you need bubbles. My niece loves to play with bubbles, so we'll save some of it and play with that today. I don't know if she's... Addie, did you find your bubble wand? I made her some earlier, so we'll see. Her mommy just told her there were some on the table. We'll see if she finds them. Addie, they're on the table on this side. They're right there. Do you see them? They're the blue ones. The blue pipe cleaner with the beads on them. She's just giving me the pipe cleaner. Hang on 1 second and I will... Here. Oh, you found them. Good job. Come on, bring them over. She found them. Come here, Addie. We're not going to do too many inside because that'll make it slippy. But all you do is, these are our pipe cleaner wands. Take it in. And there's your bubbles. Alright, I hope you enjoy.